the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
It's your girl Disastrous Beauty, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video is obviously gonna be a hair review. I guess you guys could tell that by the title. But before we get into that, I want to say, if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent, honey. It's free 99. And if you like this video and videos like this, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. Now let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so the hair that I am rocking today was sent to me by RPGSHOW. Shout out to you, RPGSHOW, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So they did send me some information, like on some paper, and they also, obviously I have the information from the site. And I just kind of wanted to give them a little shout out at just packaging and all of that stuff, branding, all of that. Y'all, they sent the information in this cute little card, and I got probably some oil or something on it, but I thought that was so cute. And then they have the information like inside of it. I thought that was a really nice touch. So anyways, they have on here that the name is, it looks like Gia or JIA004, and the texture is silky. And I want to kind of talk about that in a little bit. The length is 18 inches. The hair color is the color that's on the picture, which I'll probably just show you guys like what it looks like on the site. The cap size is the average cap size, which is 21.5 to 22. It says glueless lace front cap. It's a 200% density and tinted transparent Swiss lace, light brown. They have the light brown in parentheses. So it says transparent, but it also says light brown. And I'm looking at it now. I think that the name of the wig is actually like Gia or something. On the site, they have ash blonde with highlights, layered bangs, human hair, lace front wig. The color is ash blonde with highlights. The length that the model is wearing on the picture is 20 inches. Mind you, I do have it in 18. And the density is 200%. So they give you an option to have light bleach or deep bleach and all kinds of just like different ways you can customize this unit on here. And chat, it's a lot. Like, I would definitely recommend you guys go on the site, or maybe I'll screen record and let you guys kind of see it. But yeah, it's a lot. They got a lot of information on there. Okay, so as far as construction with this wig, if I'm not mistaken, this unit did come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. And I always like to call this elastic band the glueless band. Like, usually if you see this band, that means that the wig can be worn glueless. Now, granted, I personally decided not to wear this wig glueless, but it is definitely an option. I chose not to wear this wig glueless just because of how my hairline is, and sometimes it's kind of a struggle with my hair and all of that underneath, and it just doesn't lay like I personally would want it to lay. But I do know a lot of people don't have that issue, and with this wig you can definitely wear it glueless, just kind of depending on the sizing of the unit. I just chose not to. This unit is like a body wave texture. I didn't really see the texture on here. Like, literally all I see on here is just says silky. But it kind of came with like a wavy, sort of body wave texture. So I'm going to go with that, honey. That's what your girl going to call it. I'm going to say it came with like a body wave sort of texture, in my personal opinion. Like, this child, do with that what you want to do with that. And it did come pre-tweezed, as they stated. I did decide to do the ball cap method with this unit, and I just applied it. I did not have to tweeze this unit whatsoever, honey. She woke up like this. Okay, she woke up like this. I didn't have to add any baby hairs or anything because she woke up like this. Okay, so yeah, that's that with that. Okay, so as far as me applying this unit, what I ended up doing, as I stated, I did use the ball cap method, and I just used my even lace glue to apply it and just put it on. Like, I cut the lace with my razor, off my head, and I left a little bit of lace to kind of go back after I had applied the unit, and then I went back in and cut off the excess lace after I applied the wig. And I saw this method on Arrogant Tay doing, what's her name? Lala's hair, where he would leave some of the lace. When he would do the glue, he would leave some of the lace on there and then go back and cut it. So that's what I did. I just went back and cut it afterwards. And child, like I said, she was pre-tweezed to perfection, so it just made the whole process a lot easier for me. After that, I went through the unit with my hot comb and raked it across the hair while I had my elastic band on, which makes me less scared of the hot comb, because honey, your girl looks scared of the hot comb. Okay, let me just be honest, I'm a little timid when it comes to the hot comb. So when you go ahead and put that elastic band, it just makes you feel like you have this added layer of protection. Okay, it makes my forehead feel like it has an added layer of protection. So then I went through with the hot comb. After that, that was basically all I had to do as far as laying down the unit. Because like I said, it's already pre-tweezed. It already came, you know, like I said, woke up like this. Okay, so then I just went in and I curled the hair with my curling iron. And yeah, applied my mousse, laid this down, put a little wet stick on it, girl. Put my Sephora Micro Smooth on her. And that was it. That was literally all it took with this wig. Like, I didn't want to do too much. I didn't want to cut on it at all, because they did specifically ask me to try to keep the unit looking like it looks on the site. So I didn't want to add any extra layers. It did come layered. I personally probably would have did a little bit more layers, but I didn't, honey, they said not to, so I ain't bother her, okay, for this video. I may bother her later, but I'm not bothering her on this video. So yeah, that was pretty much it as far as this wig goes, as far as applying the unit and all that good stuff. Now, is old girl big head friendly? Like, can the waterhead girls wear this wig, honey? I'm just playing, girl. Now let me see. Let me just, before I even say anything, let me go on the site and see if you can get it in any other cap sizes. Okay, so it looks like this wig comes in an average cap size and a large cap size. I don't see a small on here, and I'm guessing I don't see a small because I feel like this unit is small to medium head friendly. It's not medium to large head friendly. And before I got into that, I just kind of wanted to make sure that that was an option. Like, before I just like bust your bubble, I wanted to make sure I wasn't wrong. So yeah, this unit that I am wearing is not large head friendly. It's small to medium, and then you do have the option to get the medium to large head friendly, and I don't think it's any extra cost if you do decide to do that. So yeah, I think you can do that without having any extra cost, so that is always a plus. As far as shedding and tangling, honey, old girl didn't do any of the things straight out of the packaging. That don't mean she won't at some point. That don't mean at some point I won't be raking my fingers through it and, you know, just get a ball of hair. But straight out of the packaging, she's doing none of the things, okay? She's doing none of the things. She's not tangly whatsoever. So shout out to you, RPGSHOW, for that. Okay, so now we can get into the pros and cons of this unit. I'm going to start with the cons because I like to get the bad out of the way and end with the good. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, when somebody asks you, do you want the bad news or the good news first? I'm the type of person that wants the bad news first, because then the good news can put me in a good mood. So I'm going to start with the cons first. In my opinion, this unit is not giving 200% density. It's definitely giving me 180% density. And it's not a huge con, but I just kind of like to know, and I don't like to feel tricked, especially when I am buying a unit, especially if it's an expensive wig, and you know, human hair can get up there. So in my opinion, that is a con when it comes to this unit. That is the only con. This is all of the hair, and in my opinion, this is not giving me 200% density. Okay, so that is my one and only con as far as this unit goes. Now, what are the pros, girl? Okay, what are the pros when it comes to this unit? I feel like this wig has a lot of pros. I'm gonna start with the fact that it did come pre-tweezed. The fact that you can wear it glueless, and it's just, to me, screams beginner friendly. Like, this is a good beginner friendly frontal in my opinion, because I know frontals can be sort of tricky for a lot of people, especially when you're starting out. And because this wig can be worn glueless, because it's already pre-tweezed, it's already pre-colored, it's already pre-bleached, it's already all of those things, This is like, to me, the perfect beginner-friendly wig. And I love that. I love that for me, and I love it for my beginners. I love it for all of us, okay? I also just love the coloring. Like, the color of this unit is just like pure perfection. Like, I love these sort of colors. I love the ashness. It's just giving me all the nude vibes, honey. That's why I gave you guys nude realness today, okay? I got on my sort of nude little ensemble here, my nude lippy, my basic B eyeshadow that I always wear. It's just giving me all of the ash nude sort of simple vibes that your girl is feeling these days, okay? So I really did I love the color. I love the hairline. Yes, honey. Okay, the pros can go on and on and on and on when it comes to this wig. Okay, so would I recommend, oh girl, I'm pretty sure after I went on and on about the pros, it's pretty obvious that I would recommend this wig. I think that, like I said, that this wig is a really, really nice wig. I think it is gorgeous. I love the color, the hairline. I love everything about this wig except that I wish that on the site that the density said 180. Had it not, then a child, because I had forgot for a minute, I was like, girl, cons. What are the guns? I had remember thinking that, oh, that's a con. But had they not had that this wig was 200% density and they had on there that it was 180, then there would literally be no cons. Like, to me, this wig is just really nice. The texture is gorgeous. I love this wig. There's no flaws to me. So yes, I would definitely recommend it. I can see, because of the texture, I feel like this wig will last you a long time. I feel like it's a good quality of hair, in my opinion. And yeah, I'm feeling it. Like, I am really interested in hearing what you guys think. I still think it is fall appropriate because it's not a super light blonde, and it's also a sort of it's a good blonde for people that are scared of blondes as well. So yeah, I am feeling this wig. I think she's gorgeous. Like, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Honey, sound off down below in the comments, because your girl needs to know. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and lip check. Alright, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright, y'all, so that is pretty much it. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling this unit as much as I am. I am really, truly interested in hearing how you guys feel about this wig. And once again, shout out to you, RPGSHOW, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing Old Girl, okay, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.